Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix hard drive problems on your MacBook. If your MacBook is freezing, showing a folder icon at startup, making unusual noises, running extremely slow, or files keep disappearing, your hard drive, or SSD, may be failing. Let's start with the easiest checks first before trying more advanced fixes. First, open Finder. Then go to Applications, Utilities, and Open Disk Utility. On the left side, select your Macintosh HD or the external drive causing problems. Now click First Aid at the top and then click Run. First Aid scans the drive for file system errors and repairs common issues automatically. If the drive has small corruption problems, this can often fix them without deleting your files. If you do not see your drive properly, click View near the top left and choose Show All Devices. This helps reveal hidden containers and partitions that may not appear in the normal view. Another useful thing to check is available storage space. A nearly full drive can sometimes behave like a failing drive. Click the Apple logo at the top left, choose System Settings, then go to General and Storage. If your storage is almost full, remove large, unused files, empty the bin, or move files to an external drive to improve performance. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now let's check if the problem is related to an external hard drive. Disconnect the drive and reconnect it using another USB port or cable if possible. Then reopen Disk Utility and see if the drive appears. Sometimes the issue is simply a faulty cable or unstable connection rather than actual drive failure. If the drive appears grayed out inside Disk Utility, select it and click Mount at the top. In many cases, the drive is healthy but simply not mounted correctly by macOS. If your MacBook still feels extremely slow after these fixes, try checking startup apps. Open System Settings, go to General, then Login Items, and remove unnecessary apps starting with your Mac. Too many startup processes can make the system seem like the drive is failing even when it is not. Now, if Disk Utility reports repeated errors, the drive disappears randomly, or you hear clicking sounds from an older hard drive, that usually means the drive may be physically failing. In that case, back up your important files immediately using Time Machine or another external drive. And that's it. You now know how to check, repair, and troubleshoot hard drive problems on your MacBook using Disk Utility and built-in macOS tools. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.